Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to reset iPhone 12 camera settings. So if you have any of the iPhone 12 series, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, maybe your iPhone camera is malfunctioning or is not opening. Now you need to reset the iPhone camera settings. Then here is a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to reset your iPhone 12 camera settings, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on General. Scroll down the General page and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Here you should have access to reset and erase all contents and settings. If you selected erase all content and settings, this is going to prompt you to reset or erase your iPhone, and this is going to delete all your data and documents on your iPhone. But to reset your phone settings, including iPhone 12 camera settings, click on Reset. Then locate reset all settings and click on it. Now once you've selected all settings, go ahead and type in your iPhone 12 passcode. Then it should say this reset will erase all settings and your Apple Pay card, keys and passes will be removed. This will also remove your data or media. Now to proceed, just go ahead and click on reset all settings. Follow the prompt and afterward your iPhone 12 will restart, and once it restarts, you can now go ahead, open the iPhone camera, and then it should say your camera app working as expected. So that is basically how to reset iPhone 12 camera settings. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.